Don't mess it.
Ready?
Yeah.
7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. So, we do this woman Zaida. 1, 2, 3. Then I cross. Actually, the woman will close the normal woman Zaida. She will go forward with the guy's hand, but the guy goes back in diagonal. So the guy's going back and there. And I focus the girl between my legs, but to my left leg. So when I do 4, I make it like this, 4. Then on the 5, I will put my my left leg, guys, here in front of her and bend my knee. Because her leg will arrive at the same time. It will arrive and I need to make connection here. Girls, please don't stop, make a normal break, okay? So you don't know what is coming, you make a normal break. Then the guy will go with his feet, leg and thigh, and say up and catch the leg. Girls, when the guy catches your leg, this hand stays here, doesn't go down, stays there. Good, guys, you go back with the left. 1, and you already build momentum. Momentum 1, 2, and you land here, the girl, very close to your right leg. The girls have to be stiff. Hold the power here on your left arm down and close. And the guy puts you. Guys, when you bring the girl down, you should be on your bent knee so you can balance yourself. With the straight knee, you don't have that much balance. So if the girl pulls you, you will fall. But if I'm here and the girl pulls, I can still hold myself, okay? Then the exit. The girl goes 1. I bring her in break and I go 2. And then I bring her back in the break 3. Okay, I will show you this slow from here. I have her up, and I bring her. I'm on my right leg here. Okay, I'm like this. The girl goes 1. The girl goes in the break 2, and I go with the leg here 2. And 4, the girl comes break 3, break 4, break 5. On the 6th, we do the exit. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good.